Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley. This is our rebuilt R110379LO Magic Access Operator for a left-hand out application. And this video is really going to serve as visual evidence of the item. All of the details regarding the rebuilt program are listed down below. You purchase the item, basically there's a partial refund that's posted when the original unit comes back after you've made the swap. A very common question we get is if those gears are available as separate purchasable items. They're not. The shop will not sell those gears at all. Although that spring inside of there can be purchased, that I know. Micro switches up top, obviously controlling the position of what's happening based on those cams or those lobes. Door position, basically. Your arm adapter down here at the bottom weighs 11.8 pounds. So, not getting any lighter as I continue to hold it. Obviously, these are handed. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If there's any questions on the Stanley, this is the rebuilt 110379LO Magic Access left-hand out operator, or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.